Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Qubrid AI. In this video, we'll be knowing more about how to use the Qwen3-VL 8 billion Instruct model with the free 4 million inferencing tokens which we provide to you free of cost in the Qubrid AI platform. These free tokens will help you understand if this model is a right fit for your AI application or not, and you can play around with different models all free of cost. So to start with, you can just see, you can go to the website or directly log into the platform. Once you have logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard from where you can just click on launch a playground. Once you launch the playground, you will be able to see there are different models listed, right? From here, just go to the vision category model and you will see the Qwen3-VL 8 billion Instruct model listed down there. You can also select the other model, but for this video, we'll be covering this one. So this is a image kind of model. So you need to upload an image and you can analyze it. It's multimodal, and also it'll help you. You can do things if you require OCR and stuff. So for that, you can just go and upload any image which you want. For example, let's select an image which I have from our offsite last month, which we had in Goa. And you can choose to give a prompt. You can either type in an own prompt or use this example prompt to test how the model works. I'll just try to describe what you see in this image, and I'll click on send. Let's see what it does. So as you see, right, as streaming is enabled, so you get the response right ahead, part by part. So it says that this is a bright, sunny photograph. The people on the far left, there's a woman with a man sitting next to her, looking at the camera and stuff. So it's very detailed, right? So the setting, the background, the overall mood, and everything. It's very detailed when it comes to an image. You can also see the number of input tokens, output tokens, the time taken to first token, the response time and the total tokens taken per second, right? Now, once you are okay with what you see, if you think that this is a good fit for your application, you can go ahead and you can utilize it via the serverless endpoints which we have. We have availability in curl, Python, JavaScript, or Go, whichever language you want. For now, let's say we'll just select curl. We'll be using we'll be using an image which is already there. Make sure you have to put the image in a URL, right? So just go ahead and copy the serverless endpoint. You'll be able to see the link to the image is pasted in here. If you just copy this link and go ahead and paste it, you'll be able to see this is the image which you'll be inferencing with. So just for understanding, right? And you'll also see that you need to copy or change the part which says Qubrid API key. You need to add in your own API key. If you don't change it, the code or the endpoint won't work. Hence, click on this get API key option, and you can name your API key. Let's say Qwen image API key, right? You can name it as per your project. You can set expiration date if you want. If you don't want expiration date, that's well and good. You can just deselect it and just click on create an API key. Once you have done that, the API key will be generated. You can just copy it and you can go ahead to your code and you can paste it in this part. Now, one thing which is worth to remember is you have to copy and securely store this API key, as it gets displayed only once. If you lose access to the key, you'll need to regenerate a new one. You can always view the API keys from in here. It will take you to a page which will show you all the API keys. You can delete your API keys from here, but make sure to copy it with the first time you were given a chance to. After that, you won't be able to see the API key again. So heading back, we'll just copy this code. I've pasted the API key already. I'll copy it and I can just post it back to Postman just for testing purposes and click on send. Let's see what it does. It should start giving a response immediately, and you can see it's giving a 200 OK response, which means the request is successful and the server is responding as required. You can see the response time, the total time taken for download, the total time it's spent waiting and stuff. You can also see the response size, request size, if it's required to you. The details, of course, also come. The metrics get showed, which shows the model is working, and the entire response gets showed in small chunks because streaming was enabled, right? These all small responses back up to make a big response, right? So the thing which you were seeing in here, that was just the thing. So that's how we know the model is working. And also, if you need to change anything, for example, you need to change the temperature, you need to change the max tokens, you need to change top P values, top K values, any other settings which you want to change. If you want to disable streaming, you can do all of those things from here. There are many settings or parameters which can be configured. So you can just go to the documentations and you'll be able to see the documentation. Just go to the model quick start, go to the vision model part, and Qwen3-VL Instruct 8 billion. You'll be able to see there are many parameters which can be altered, and stuff to understand about what things can be changed and how does it change the context, and just use it for your understanding. If you get your answers here good enough, you can change streaming, max token, top p, top k, and all those values, right? Now, once you have a clear understanding of this, you can go ahead and integrate it with the APIs which I just showed. If you have any questions, you can just come and visit this documentation. It should help you out with all the answers you require. But if you have something which you don't know or which you have a question after even going through this documentation, we are on Discord 24/7. You can join our Discord server and we'll be able to help you out. You can reach out to me personally on LinkedIn, Twitter, or via Discord as well. My email, anything works. You can also go to support, which will take you to our support page. It will help you to click to create an email, and you can send the email to us and we can reply to you right away. So that's about how to use the free 4 million tokens we provide for inferencing for the Qwen3-VL 8 billion Instruct model. Hope you had understood about how to use it free of cost before integrating it and putting your money on it. So with that, thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and our team will be there to answer. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.